My name is Dr. Anthony Boniello. I'm an orthopedic surgeon specializing in hip and knee replacement surgery. I wrestled for 4 years in college. Like everybody who plays any sports, I had some wear and tears and some requiring surgery. That process, I actually was able to shadow an orthopedic surgeon who performed a surgery on my knee. And during that process, he was doing hip and knee replacements, and I realized there's an opportunity to really help patients make a significant change in their lives for the better. One of the most rewarding parts of our jobs is the ability to sit down with a patient, and you really can tell there's a lot of anxiety and stress. Being able to discuss the diagnosis, what's going on, and offer either conservative or sometimes surgical options. In seeing their anxiety being relieved as there's a plan moving forward, it's a really rewarding part of our job. It makes me feel very blessed and lucky to be in this position.